Hi there, my name is Sebastian Straub and I'm the Principal Solutions Architect at N2WS. In this video, I'd like to show you how to upgrade your N2WS Backup and Recovery version 4.1.0 to version 4.1.1 using the patch upgrade method. As you can see, we're currently logged into the N2WS Backup and Recovery console, and I'm logged in as the root admin user. This won't work with a delegate, so I'm going to be using my root admin user. Next, I'll show you how to obtain the patch itself. Whenever there is a new development, a new version, a new patch available, you can find out about it through the broadcast system, the announcements. You'll find this up here in the right upper corner. So if I select this, we can see that now version 4.1.1 is available. And we can also find more information and the patch with the release notes. So I'm going to click on that. And that's going to take us to the release notes of 4.1.1. Here you can browse through the new features, but you also have the option to download the upgrade patch right here. I already did this a little bit earlier, so I now have my upgrade patch right here in my folder. So let's switch back to the console. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to go to Server Settings. You'll find this here in the right upper corner. And then on the left side, you'll find Patches. And this lists also any patches that you might have already installed. Over here under Choose File, I can now browse to the patch file that I downloaded through the release notes. Once I click on Choose File, I can now select the file, click on Open, and now the file is chosen. And now all I have to do is click on Upload and Install. Now keep in mind that the upload itself is really going to be very quick because it's a very small patch file. But the actual upgrade, the actual patching will happen after I click that button. So let's go ahead and click that button now. Yes, I'm going to confirm that. And the new patch has now been successfully installed. Now, when you see this message, you just let the server sit there for another 5 minutes because internally the patch is still being applied. All we've done at this point, we just uploaded the patch. Now, through the miracle of video editing, 5 minutes have passed. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to hit the refresh button on my browser and go to the question mark, to the about box, and now you can see that the server has been updated to version 4.1.1. There are several new interesting features, so be on the lookout for tutorial videos on those new features as well. And I hope you found this useful. Thank you for joining me and see you in the next video.